believe I'm putting this akamu in my head. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free, and if you're already a subscriber, I want to say a big thank you to you for the support. Okay, so today in this video, I'm going to be trying out the trending keratin that claims to soften, straighten your curl, and make your hair easy to manage. So this is my hair right now, what it looks like. I have very curly hair that looks very flaky in nature. So it's been a long while I posted a video on my hair. Okay, I will leave the video I posted on how to grow your hair in 7 days in my description box below. And I was supposed to be doing like a follow-up on that video, but today I'm going to spill the secret why I never posted any follow-up on that video. Okay guys, so in like 2 weeks after I posted that video, I tried to texturize my hair. Okay, my hair was, as you can see, spongy in nature, so I wanted to make it easy to manage, so I texturized my hair. You won't believe what happened after that. I lost so much hair. My hair was shedding like crazy. Like my hair is supposed to be like 2 times of this at the moment, but due to that incident, I end up losing lots of hair, so I couldn't do a follow-up on that video. So I'm sorry guys about that. But today is not about that. Today is about the trying out the keratin. People have been trending it all over the place, so let's go ahead and try it. I'm actually going to be trying out this one that I saw online. And okay, so this spongy sponge, let's see what we can do to it today. Okay, so let's get into the kitchen. Actually, you don't need much for this. You might probably be having this ingredient in your kitchen already, or you can easily get it from anywhere around your area. So let's go ahead and try this out. So you're sure going to be needing some okra. So I'm adding it to a bowl of clean water. I'm going to wash it up, and I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. With this, it will be very easy to work with. So that's so much what you need to do. Yeah, it's okra we are using today. Tomorrow it might be something else, So I'm going to cut this into smaller pieces, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'm done cutting my okra. I'm going to go ahead and clean everything off the cutting board, and I'm going to set the cutting board aside to be cleaned later on when I have less chance. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking this okra. We're going to be cooking it, but we won't be eating it today. So this is much okra I could get. So I'm going to be using my baking pan for this because I do not want any pepper in my mix. So I poured the okra into the baking pan. You can use your pot, your saucepan, anything you can do, anything you can cook with is okay. So I'm adding 1.5 cups of water, and I'm going to set my fire, and I'll stir everything up so that it's mixed well with the water, and I'm going to let it sit there till it starts boiling. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to stir this up and reduce my fire to medium heat, and I'm going to let it sit there and cook for like 10 minutes, not above 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do. Time check, it's been 10 minutes and it has gotten very thickened, as you can see. So I'm going to stir this up, turn off my heat, and let it sit there till it's completely cold. Stir this up, turn off my heat, and let it cool down. Once it's completely cold, I'm going to turn this into my blender cup and I'm going to be blending this till it's completely smooth. Once it is completely smooth, I'm going to be straining it with a strainer using my sieve cloth. So I'll place the sieve cloth on top of the filter and I'm going to be filtering out the puree from the okra. So I'm going to be squeezing out everything I can from this okra. I'll use lots of energy for this, guys. So I'll try and squeeze out everything from the cloth. As you can see, I was able to get as much as I could out of it. So this rest part, I'm going to throw it off. Next thing I'll do, I'll add 2 full spoons of cornstarch in a bowl and I'll add some water and mix. I'll mix it very well that I don't have any powder standing out or separated from the mixture. Everything all well mixed. Once it is well mixed, I'm going to be turning this mixture into my okra. And I'm going to go ahead and stir everything up till it is well mixed as well. Once everything is well mixed, I'm going to be putting it on fire on a very low heat. And I'm going to be stirring it constantly without stopping until I have a creamy, thick consistency, what looks like akamu consistency. Light akamu, not the thick type. It won't get that thick. It's kind of light, but it's not watery. It's creamy in nature, the consistency you'll be looking for. Okay, so we've already gotten the creamy consistency and this is what exactly we're looking for. So I'll go ahead and turn off my heat and let it sit there until it's warm. I won't let it get completely cold. I use it when it's warm. So I'll let it sit there till the temperature comes down where it won't burn my skin. Then I'll use it. So it's ready, guys. This is the consistency we are looking for. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections. I pray this works, because if it doesn't work, I'm going to cry. Okay, I pray this really works, Sha. I'm just trying it out. I've not done this before, so it's my first time trying. So I'll go ahead, section my hair into 4. I'll leave the back part because that's where I'll be starting from, but I'll go ahead and put this into a braid as well. So I'll be starting with this back part now. To start, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into smaller sections, and then I'm going to pick the keratin. They call it keratin, right? The keratin, and I will just rub it onto my hair from the root of the hair to the tip of the hair. And I'm going to be working it in as if I'm trying to do wash and go. If you've ever done wash and go, you'll know how to apply this. But if you've not before done wash and go, all you need to do is to just work it with your fingers, rub it until you feel like everything is settled in. So from the back, this is what I'm doing. I will just start from the root of the hair, then I'll go ahead and rub everything in, and I'm going to be working it into the hair until it's well saturated. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. So we're gonna work. So we're gonna work. We're going to be working this whole stuff into our hair, strand by strand, until we've covered the whole of our head. That's what we're going to be doing today. We covered the whole head. So I'm done with one section. Let's move ahead to the next section. Damn, this is taking so much time. But never to worry. Anything for ma. Back section, not to the front section. I can't believe I'm putting this akam in my head. But wow, why not? Anything that promises to help with my freeze, I don't mind, even if it's or so far it helps out with my freeze. I'm good to go. I will try it, and I believe this one might work because I tried pumping my hair with this product on, and do not have even one breakage. Okay, I can just comb through very easily. So I have a feeling that this might be it, and I won't be using much hair like when I use a texturizer, but yeah, in your hands. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see, I've done with my 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go ahead and use a plastic bag. You can use elastic, plastic wraps. You can use nylon bag, whatever you have. I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to leave this for as long as I can leave it, probably for 6 hours. Then I'll wash it and come back and show you guys what it looks like. You can go ahead and carry yours for 24 hours, forever if you like. That's basically your decision. Okay, so you guys, let's keep our fingers crossed that this will work. Yes, I'm very sure it will work, because take a look at this. My hair just lying down flat. I think I will try this okra gel that people have been talking about. Okra gel. I'll try it on a wash and go and see how. Time check, 6 hours have gone. It's already night, and it's time to wash this thing off my head so I can go and get some sleep. Wow, I have a good feeling. This is damn. It's just like, it feels so good. It feels so good already. Okay. So guys, I just came out of the shower. Gosh, I can't remember when last I washed my hair, and it feels this tangled free and so soft. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. Dang. Damn, it's so soft. So right now I don't have light, and it's night already. I carried it for 6 hours, so it's night already. I don't even know if I've been able to wash everything out. Hopefully I did. So I think we should fast forward this video till tomorrow when I'll show you exactly how this has been. Yeah, everybody should try. If you have 4C hair, you must try this stuff. Try it. So if you're still here watching this video, it actually means that you really want to know if the keratin worked for 4C hair or not. Okay, I was so excited last night. There was no light. I still had to shoot some part of the video, so that was when it was my anxiety because my hair was just so soft. There was actually no tangle. Like I was combing through my hair easily. Something I've not done for the past 2 years. It was overly excited. Okay, so for today, what I did after them was I just brushed down everything, added a little bit. I allowed the hair to like get a little bit dry, so half dry, halfway dry. I added shea butter to it, and I just brush, comb, and then I put on this scarf and off I went to bed. And today the weather hasn't been nice, but I still have to find a way and finish up the video. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment. Moment of truth is now. So actually there is nothing like gel or leave-in or any product that could make my hair to lie down like this or soften my hair this much. So mainly is that keratin that I tried that gave me this beautiful lying down hair that I haven't had in 2 years. Okay, I'll find the video when I texturized my hair 2 years ago, maybe from my TikTok, and I'll just add it somewhere so you can see it. So since then I haven't had this. Like my hair has like, how do I even brush my hair to let that like, guys, you should go ahead and go and try this. I would have loved to actually use gel, but right now I'm on my clinical posting and we wear this white cap like this. So if I put on gel, I feel like I'll be having lots of stains on my cap and I'll have to wash my cap every day. I don't want to do that, okay? So this is what I had so far. Please go ahead and try it. It works 100%. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me just one little favor and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. And like this video, share it with your friends, share it with anybody that is having 4C problem. I think our problem is solved. I'm going to try this in the next 2 or 3 weeks from now, and I'm going to continue trying it until I have oyibo hair. So that's all for now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Until next time.